All right, Ben, thanks so much. Well, South Carolina epidemiologist Dr. Bell says Greenville County is still a hot spot for COVID-19. Dr. Bell told Governor Henry McMaster she's now more concerned about COVID-19 in this state than she ever has been before. And she's urging all of us to keep our social distancing habits and to wear a mask in public to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Now, the governor held a news conference this afternoon, and he says because of the economy, it's important to keep opening up businesses. But he's also recommending people stick to the guidelines they put out there. Fox Carolina's Kayla Conboy live in downtown Greenville. Kayla, there has been a spike in numbers, but we've also seen a lot of increase in testing as well.
That's exactly right, and that's what they were talking about in that press conference earlier today. And I will say that right now things are pretty tame. Not a lot of crowds or a lot of people gathering in downtown right now. Much of that probably has to do from that rain we saw not long ago. But earlier today I was out here. It took me 20 minutes to find a parking spot, and lots of crowding was going on this evening.
Greenville County now a major hotspot for the coronavirus. The state saying it has seen some of the highest case counts over the past week and a half.
Yeah, no, that makes me a little antsy.
Marla Jeanette says she's been spending more time at home, worried about the spread. She's not only pregnant, but she's also a cancer survivor, which means she's more at risk if she gets COVID-19.
I'm probably going to stay in the house a lot longer with the baby until we do see if like a second wave is going to happen or anything like that.
But experts are wondering if it's already happening, with the biggest uptick in cases yet and 7 new deaths.
We've seen some of our highest daily numbers since the pandemic began, and there have also been recent increases in our percent positive, which tells us that more people than we would hope for who are being tested are sick.
Dr. Linda Bell says in Greenville County, their research shows households are infecting other household family members.
That's why it's important to follow the advice of healthcare professionals and to stay in isolation and quarantine if you're diagnosed or you're a contact.
She says the virus is also largely impacting the Greenville County Latino population.
We've immediately targeted our outreach to efforts in these communities, and this has included interviews on local radio stations, Latino radio stations.
Governor Henry McMaster says that even though the virus is still present, the state's economy has to get back on track.
We all have to practice that social responsibility by not becoming infected and not infecting others. And whether it's by wearing masks, wearing shields, keeping the social distance.
And we've seen some places requiring masks, but Governor McMaster says that's not something that he's planning on doing now or in the future. Reporting live in Greenville, Kayla Conboy, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.